Phase 2 soil suspension process. We go through with a fiber specific pre-spray that's also designed for the soils that are in the carpeting. We apply it to the carpeting with the multi-sprayer there to the right, and then to the left we have a CRB that goes through and agitates that cleaning solution into all the carpet fibers. It scrubs the carpets, it's gentle on the carpets, but it super accelerates the chemical reaction with the pre-spray solution for, ultimate soil suspension to occur. Alright, we're moving into phase 3. This is the final step of our cleaning process. Phase 3 is the steam out with a hot water extraction with the truck mounted unit. As you can see, a professional carpet cleaner cares about your property, so we always do our best to take every effort possible to protect your property from any potential damage. So what these corner guards do is that they you can see that they're protecting the wood there from the grinding action of the hoses, which will rub off either the coloring of the hose or rub paint off the walls or whatever furniture, whatever it may be. So these corner guards are pretty much a godsend, and I would recommend that any carpet cleaner be utilizing these.